But imagine, right? You're in a taxi and the taxi driver is doing all these wicked piece of shortcuts. They're just getting you there in like 10 minutes. You obviously have the fear of God in you as well, because you're like, please, Lord, don't let me make this the last day and night on this earth. But these taxi drivers know exactly where they're going, so it's muscle memory. I started to remember where they were going, so then when I had my car, I was like, yeah, I'm going to go this way, I'm going to bust a left. So that's the whole thing with driving. I didn't drive when I first got here, but a couple of years later, when I purchased my car and I started driving, it was much easier to get accustomed to being on the road with the car. Now Kingston now, Jesus. Okay, so when I was on the North Coast living, I didn't have a car, but I would hire cars. I remember I have only been to Kingston twice, and that wasn't by car. But when I came to Kingston, it was about a year or so later. That's when I purchased a car, and I only lived Devon House and opposite Devon House, and I worked in Halfway Tree, not far, about across the road from the transportation centre. So if you know that area or look it up, it's not that far driving wise. But I tell you something. When I used to get home, I'd have to sit in the car for about 5 minutes because I was like this, because it was hard work driving in Kingston. Yeah, just the taxi man. I know taxis are like this in the UK, weaving in and out, think they own the road and all them things there. That I'm used to that, but it's a different level here.